What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm going to talk about how I just spent $5,000. So I plan to make $7,000 to $8,500 cash after spending $5,000 on all this crap. Call it merch, call it what you want to call it. At the end of the day, I'm gonna get pure gains from this. So you may have watched my last video where I flipped iPhones, or possibly my other one where I flipped a bunch of Androids. And if you never watched any of those, who knows, maybe you watched the ones where I flipped some video games. And if you haven't watched any of those, then clearly you're not a fan and you're just here to leave me some hate mail, because I've been receiving a lot of that lately. So thank you guys for that. It really helps me with the sleeping at night. Baby, I just had a nightmare. All these people were hating on me on YouTube. Is it just a dream? If you haven't watched my video where I flipped iPhones, if you haven't watched my video where I flipped Androids, and if you have not watched my video where I flipped some video games, you can watch them in the description below, or you can click the link above and it will direct you to those videos. So if you haven't watched any of those videos, it's okay, because today I'm going to talk about all these items and how I'm going to flip them, how much money I plan to make on them, and how anyone can do it. All these items right here, I pretty much have purchased from 6 to 7 different people. It was not all from one person. I did not just call one guy up. It was from 3 of my wholesalers. It was from random people online that I've been messaging and lowballing. It took some time to get all these items. So right here, and you see, is a full week's work of lowballing, of messaging my wholesalers, getting phone calls, years of developing connections. Anyone can do it. Anyone can go out there, go on Kijiji, go on Craigslist, go on Letgo, and message a whole bunch of people, try to look for the best deals, and then get that deal, post that up, and make some profit off it. Anyone can do it. I literally started with one phone, $90 phone, and all of a sudden, 3 years later, boom shakalaka, I got enough Google Homes to populate the entire GTA. A lot of the stuff I've purchased already is not there because I've sold items. Like I had 2 iPhone 8 Pluses, 2 7 Pluses, and I've already sold them. I had a PS4 Pro and I sold that one. I literally just sold a PS4 Pro, and this guy decides to pay me in all $5 bills. I'm like, are you giving me your drug money? But I purchased an iPhone 8 for $400. It was actually from a friend. He just upgraded to an X and he offered me it for $400. I purchased another iPhone 7. This one I actually purchased for $380. So tell me how I purchased a 7 and 8, almost similar prices. It's all from different people, but I will be profiting off both of them. Yes, I get all these phones, but I'm still only rocking a 6S. Mostly because the only thing I care about is profits, not about showing off the latest and greatest phone. I've just been getting deals left, right, and center. I've been messaging people on Kijiji, on Craigslist. I've been lowballing people. There's also other stuff that I bought, like the PlayStation VR. There's this tablet. I paid like 40 bucks for it. I have it up for 100 bucks right now. I actually had 3 of these. This is my last one left. I got an Apple Watch Series 3. I paid $180 for it, and these things are selling for like $429 in Apple Store. That's in Canada. So I'm going to be selling it for $350. I had 2 of these and I've sold 1 of each already. All these numbers are going to add up. I'm going to try to keep track of all my profits. I'm going to try to put in the description all my expenses and all the profits I plan to make with all these phones. Here's another amazing deal I just got, and that's this iMac. 2015 27-inch iMac. It's 5K, 2TB Fusion drive. And this MacBook Air, I ended up purchasing both of them for $1,400. The guy was getting rid of it because he upgraded to the 2017 version. So one man's trash is another man's treasure. This MacBook Air, I posted it up for $750, and this iMac, I posted it up for $1,900. I actually see people selling it for $2,000. Also, let's keep in mind that all these prices I'm talking right now, they're all Canadian dollars because I'm from Canada. So pretty much what I'm saying is there's a deal out there for everyone. And over time, over the 3 years that I've been doing this, I have developed some wholesalers. One thing I've always learned to ask, like even this guy that sold me the computers, I asked him, I'm like, do you always sell stuff like this? Are you always selling computers? And he said, no, I usually get rid of my old junk. But I'm like, okay, you know what? If you ever... Gotta take this. Have it up for $750. MacBook Air comes with a charger. Okay, yeah, 4 p.m. is perfect then. So I can meet you there at around 4 p.m. No problem. Bye-bye. So literally, I just got off the phone with someone who wants to buy this MacBook Air that I paid $400 for. I put it up for $750, and surprisingly he wants to pay $750, so that's $350 profit on this MacBook Air alone, which means I have less time now to record this video. Also, don't forget to challenge me. If you want to challenge me to flip any item, there's no limitations. I'm going to take one challenge and I'm going to actually record it, and let me see if you guys can give me a good challenge. Remember in my last giveaway video, when I reached 555, I said I was going to do my next giveaway at 1,111 subs. And I just want to remind you guys that I did not forget that I was going to do that, because I actually will be making a video where I will be having a giveaway for reaching my 1,111 milestone. I just want to apologize because I know I should have done it so long ago. I've just been crazy busy. I don't know if it's going to be my next video, but one of my next videos I will be doing the giveaway. Only one person will win. I'll be either giving away Fortnite V-Bucks or a Google Home. I know I keep saying I'm going to make videos and I'm going to release them, and I don't release them, but this one I promise you I'm going to release. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys can go out there and make some money. Maybe you guys learned a thing or two from me, and I got a laptop to sell. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, then what are you doing? Smash that subscribe button. And that's it for now guys. Bye bye.